Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks, and today I come at you with a RUGER lock. I was recently at a pawn shop where I picked this lock up and asked if they had any locks lying around anywhere, and they said, "You don't want a lock, you want one of these. These are for guns, man, and these things will hold up to anything." And I thought, awesome. It also only cost me $1.99, so. And there we go. Picked that open quick like a bunny, didn't we? Alright folks, let's see if we can rake it open. And just like that, it opened up. How fantastic is that? Now, I don't know about you, but I don't know if I really want this lock guarding my guns. Anyway, this is K1 Lock saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.